So we got this crazy idea. Can we survive a month-long snowboarding trip in a van we have absolutely no experience with? Well, we're about to find out. Chelsea and Riley here. We are about to go on an adventure of a lifetime. Riley and I are taking Riley's parents' awesome camper van. We've been planning for this for over a year now.
We're departing for 1 month and we're going to 15 resorts. So this is gonna be a hell of a good time. Got some good company here. Got tons of cookies from Mama Meek. That really kick-started the trip. I've been waiting forever for those things. Well, that's for the camera. Oh no, that's not the camera. What's happening, Chels? So right now we are filling up the DEF. So where is it?
How about...
Oh, this thing. DEF. Okay. There's only one option, so I guess that's correct. It's like multiple choice that it's only A. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh God, just hold it like a baby.
I got it. Oh, it's coming out. Oh. It's coming out.
What the heck is this?
Is it bad that it's coming out all over your hand?
I don't know.
She's a thirsty one.
Yeah, no kidding. I thought for sure I'd have some extra here. Wow.
Is this bad if you get it like on your skin?
No idea. We'll see tomorrow. Wow. Oh, Jesus.
I mean, it looks all corroded in there, so I'd really make sure you wash your hands.
Let's wipe this down a little bit.
You're concerned about this? I'm concerned about your skin.
Organic Chels to the rescue. That's it? Jeez, that was 28 bucks I bought it.
Really?
All right. So, like, you guys want to know the update, obviously. So we're only like 3.5 hours into it.
But we thought we're in Windsor right now. There's a Good Life Fitness here. So we're going to go for a little walk, do a quick stretch session, and then find some place to sleep. So we also got a Planet Fitness membership. We know that gym is open 24 hours. So we're going to be using that to shower along the trip. They have multiple locations across the U.S., and they have some great amenities too. The Black Card membership, you pay for one membership, and you can bring a guest an unlimited amount of times.
+1, baby. Let's go.
Yeah.
Gang, gang.
So we're spending 1 month in this van. We're taking a road trip from Eastern Canada, and we're going to Colorado. Then we're going to hit up mountains in Utah and Wyoming as well. We are IKON Pass holders, so we are going to be hitting up all the IKON destinations in that area. Let's hit up Good Life Fitness Windsor. Step to it.
Oh, yeah. Hey, what's up? Did our first night stay at Walmart parking lot in Windsor. Across the border, smooth sailing with Chelsea driving. Yeah, got the internet all sorted. That was a little bit of a journey. I'll show the internet situation back here. You're gonna like this. Okay, so we got this little thing here. So we bought like a little Rogers SIM card. That has like some antenna that comes up through here, called a PepLink. And then we got like a nice little cable here. Comes over here to a switch so you can hardwire in. The issue was there's a setting on here that data roaming was not enabled. So that took like 20 minutes to figure out. It's just a little checkbox, but we're all good now. Pretty much got 18 hours of driving, and we're gonna split that across 2 days.
Now we're just rocking some T-Swift.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna be a certified Swiftie by the end of this because Chelsea's like Taylor's best friend these days, so.
It just happened out of nowhere. I just got Taylor curious. I listened to the Reputation album one time on the way home from work, and I was like, where has this been all my life? A late bloomer, but I'm so glad.
Not gonna lie, the Reputation one is pretty good. I'm still trying to resist the tay. So waking up, 6:30, 30 minutes to get everything done. So like, I'm talking the vitamins, coffee, the Metamucil. Cat's out of the bag, we're drinking Metamucil daily.
They're giving us a thumbs up.
Got a thumbs up from Buddy over there. Then we went to the gym, like literally just to wash our face, brush teeth. Haven't started our breakfast yet, but defrosting right now. A little quesadillas. We're running a little freezer back there. Thanks BODEGA for the sponsor.
Bodega.
BODEGA.
No one sponsors us.
No one?
No.
Not even Mercedes?
No.
My mom definitely sponsors me.
Okay, accurate.
What are you making?
Attempting to boil some water so I can make pasta. Coming over here to my freezer center. The freezer's unplugged right now because we had all this running and...
Yeah, we're just drawing too much power.
So this is my little freezer. that we got from Amazon. It was super cheap, but really worth it because this fridge here is on the smaller side and it has like a little, one of those little shelf freezers. So I wanted to prepare food ahead of time. So what I did was...
Cookies.
Yes, there's cookies in there. So I made some meatballs with a marinara sauce and then I put them in a silicone baking tray and then froze them like this. So then when we're ready for pasta, you can just kind of heat those up and microwave it and then you have sauce with meatballs ready to go. So I did that for a couple of things. I have some like quesadilla omelets in there and then these little guacamole pucks, which were great for lunch today. Oh, and this is the sauce after it's been heated up.
So we'll eat this and then we'll hit the road for 2 hours and then find a place to sleep.
Yep, we were just at the gym, Planet Fitness.
Now we'll just watch this boil. Hey guys, I know my hair's not done.
That's it.
That's it. That's it. This is life, van life, in Chelsea, hanging out.
Waiting for water to boil. This is so exciting.
Yes,
riveting.
God.
Okay, we're at the start of Nebraska.
We love Nebraska.
Nebraska's just fun to say. And you gotta say it like Nebraska.
Nebraska.
To Nebraska. Nebraska. Nebraska.
Love Nebraska.
Nebraska was
Nebraska.
So, Nebraska.
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 Nebraska. Or Nebraska.
Nebraska.
Nebraska. Or Nebraska.
Nebraska.
Well, Nebraska. Last time we drove through this, it was the end of our 24-hour stint with our friends Matt and Alex. The last time we were here was in 2018. Imagine like those 5 years, they just completely built up Nebraska.
It's like a vibrant city now.
It's like the next like New York.
That'd be a miracle.
If you permanently live in Nebraska, why? But also,
You probably have a cow.
3 cows.
3 cows to every one person, so
Yes, that's an actual stat.
you never know what could happen. Maybe farming's gone down and now it's 2 for 1. They're shipping their cows over to Iowa or something like that. Battle of the cattle. Oh, that's got such a good ring. Battle of the cattle.
Battle of cattle.
Moving picture.
I think if you live here, you're automatically tough as nails. All right, Nebraska's boring. What can I say? We got the cap with us. Jesus, Murphy, what was that?
Oh, maybe there's a camera right here. Where the cap sits.
Where cap sits? Active brake assist. Medium. Should I just turn it off?
Well, it's good to have, but like there was no reason for it to break there. Whatever.
Car's doing some sketchy things. The oil levels are looking on the low side of minimum. Classic. That's exactly what Riley likes to ride. Low side of minimum. Just on the brink of needing maintenance.
yeah.
That's where we like to keep her.
Speedy grass repairs.
Speedy grass replaces. So, we made it through Nebraska.
But now we're in wonderful Colorado, and already the scenery's looking better.
A little bit more mountainous terrain. Nice to be out of that flat land, but yeah, it wasn't as bad. We occupied ourselves with making breakfast, making snacks. I guess we don't really have much to report except that we're in Colorado now.
Well, we can open up Pokemon cards. 3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
Leave. Oh yeah, pats on back, baby. Let's go.
Mime Jr., Mr. Mime's kid, who procreated with him.
You don't want to know. Oh, I got the Pikachu. Let's go, baby.
Mastiff, Barbroach, Lechonk. That's how I feel someday.
Oh yeah, we got a double star. There's a first star. Armarouge. I don't even know how to say these anymore. Squawkabilly. EX, baby. Let's go. Getting fired up. My pack was definitely better than yours.
You look at Jude. Trainer. Why is there 2 stars on this guy?
2 stars.
Yeah, supporter. Woo. The judge.
Looks pretty dope. Let me see it. Ooh, damn. This thing looks pretty dope. The judge, I've never seen a double star before. $5. That card is $5. We'll give it away to our follower that likes and subscribes. There it is, $5.
Alex or Bucci.
Hell yeah. Finish this sentence. It's raining, it's pouring.
You don't know it. That's why you're asking me to finish it.
No, you don't know it, obviously.
Oh man, it's snoring. He went to bed
Bumped his head.
and couldn't get up in the morning.
It's a beautiful
day. Don't let it get away.
I was thinking of a different song. You too. It's a beautiful day.
That is that song.
Oh. Darn it. I always mess that up.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Remember when we guessed the distance of Highway 1?
We guess a lot of things just to pass the time.
My ankles are cold.
That's odd.
Arrived in Colorado. Gonna have some nice lunch here. Here by Chelsea, the one and only. And then Planet Fitness later. Wash up and maybe a quick workout, nothing crazy. And then it's the mountains. Let's eat.
That guy's like, what are these kids doing?
Cheers.
I don't know how to say the name of this place. Arapahoe.
Aprohe. Who the f knows?
So we stayed in Walmart last night, and it was so funny because this thing is a bit of a beast, so it's obvious. It's hard to hide. We pull up, the whole parking lot is full of camper vans and people overnight parking, so it was just kind of funny. We were worried, and it's just like, oh, stats about this place. What do we got?
So all of our stats go off of, or like the rating goes off of the World Snowboarding Guide. So this one actually got rated pretty low, a 5 out of 10. And it's probably the lowest that we're going to, but I think it's more so because it's just like a low-key place. So yeah, I should look up some more stats on this. I don't really know a heck of a lot. Rather than just staying in a hotel, there's a lot to like navigate through when doing this kind of snowboarding, like where we're going to camp, where we're going to shower, where we're going to get water, where we're going to go to the washroom. There's a lot more to consider, so I'm not really looking at the stats of the hill like I typically do, or the map, the trail map.
If we're not giving them information, what are they here for?
I know.
We're not like
Slap on the wrist.
We're not like some stunning personalities that they're gonna be like, oh, I like these people. Let's stick around and watch.
I think we're stunning. But there's some information about the van. So we don't know if the pipes are frozen or we ran out of water. The level says 1/3, but we have nothing coming out of the tap.
And we can't turn on the pump.
Yeah, the pump doesn't sound like it's running, so gotta look into that for sure. And then we gotta go to the dump station. And that toilet's just for number 1. We do number 2 elsewhere. So we got another hour before this actually opens up. It opens at 9. Barely anyone here, so that's pretty sweet. It's -9 outside, so I might leave some stuff running in here just to make sure we don't freeze anything. We're not gonna do gym tonight because there's no Planet Fitness around this area. We'll probably just head back to Walmart. I might do a little bit of work maybe on the laptop, maybe some gaming, some reading of books. Like we're gonna have some time later on today, so.
No power behind the acceleration in the car.
Oh, come on, baby. I gotta take a dump. No, it's still lit mode.
Now we have another problem.
I have to poop so bad.
Oh my God, I'm not even recording. Was I not recording that whole time? I'm literally, it was just straight up urine.
We gotta buy a hose. What an eventful day. Wait, hold on. Sorry, I think I got this wrong. I don't know what's going on here. We're just rookies at this, so.
We're so inexperienced.